Hey, in this video I'm going to show you an easier way to get to the tensioner pulley in a 1999 Dodge Ram van, 5.9 liter engine. I saw a lot of things that talked about, gosh, it got loud. A lot of things talked about pulling this ignition sensor, I think that is, completely off with a 10 mil wrench, but this one happens to have little screws, and like now that it's lifted you could pull it off if you needed. But what I found is with the 15 mil wrench, if I just removed this bottom screw and loosened up this top one up here, then I'm able, and I took the little wire off and the ignition sensor off the top, or whatever that little other cable is, I forget the name of it. Anyway, that just bends right out of the way, and then leaving this area, a handy little hand size area for where the tensioner goes. And I got the new one here. It's a little different from the old one, and I'll put you in a different hand and see if I can slip that in there. It's got the little notch. There's a little notch on it. Here, let's see if I show you. See that little black tab? That's a little notch that we need to make sure goes in the right spot up in here. But for starters, I'm just gonna get it up in the hole. There we go. All right, and then I'm gonna feel around for where's that notch. Make sure it sits in there. There we go. There we have it. Now if I'll let that go a sec while I grab the screw, or the nut rather. I get that started, and then I'm gonna set you down, and I will take you up top and show you a little more of the detail that I'm talking about from a different angle. But anyway, 15 mil, just my regular old handy dandy 15 wrench. I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm gonna try to pause you, but in case I lose you, don't forget, it's not always a bad idea to hire a professional, but you probably can do it yourself. Let me know in the comments if you learn anything or you have anything to add. And again, I'm going to pause you and maybe come back and show you, but I just wanted to show you this little trick. Slide this out of the way and give yourself room to get this in and out here. Tensioner pulley. Ciao for now. So, just to show you from up top here, I moved this ignition solenoid, I think that is, by loosening up the screw right up in here. That's another 15 mil. Just loosen that up and took the other one out so that I could slide that up. After I remove this this wire from the bottom, and there's a coil wire around here somewhere that goes on the top. Here it is. This off the top of this here. Pulled those off, loosened that up so I could move it out of the way, and I could get to that screw there for this tensioner pulley. And now I have the screw most of the way on, and I'm just making sure that I have that little tab in there, which now I do. It'll sit there. I'm going to go underneath, tighten that back up, and get on with putting the serpentine belt on. I've already done my idler pulley here, which was trashed right off. And once I get all this put back together, I'm hoping to jump it and start it back up, but I may have caused some other damage. I notice here I got a little thing on my, little thingy-do on my overflow to my radiator from where I overheated. It's cracked. Probably need to replace that. This is my good old 1999 Dodge van, 5.9 liter, 3500 Ram. It's been good to me. My mobile toy box. Anyway, keep your eye out for other videos. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Ciao for now.